It's your boy clocking in with another one. Man. Today is Make Moves Monday. And guess what? Cameraman got a new refrigerator. Cameraman got a new refrigerator, so he want to show his refrigerator off today, boy. He said, never free, you gotta show my refrigerator off on Make Moves Monday, bro, for real. So yeah, he right here. So we about to see his refrigerator rating them on Make Moves Monday.
All day.
We'll get right back.
Me, I want what's coming.
New refrigerator,
She got the Dallas Cowboys.
Bro got the Dallas Cowboys refrigerator.
She stars up in his bit.
Bro got his refrigerator on Make Moves Monday, yo. Look, bro got some little food in his refrigerator. Come on, bro, got some food in his refrigerator, bro. Got his refrigerator on Make Moves. No, we full, no,
Put it together.
no, bro,
Put it on
bro, he got clean though. He cleaned it
I
out,
had
yo.
to.
Bro cleaned his refrigerator out. This is a new refrigerator. He just got his new refrigerator. Y'all see what's going on. Yeah, Cameraman get refrigerator on Make Moves Monday.
That block one way, you know.
Come on, bro. How you feel?
Come on, brother. Tell me how you feel about your refrigerator, bro.
I feel like it. You know?
How does your refrigerator work? Get cold?
It ain't nothing too much, ain't nothing too less, you did.
Alright, okay.
Ain't nothing too extravagant. Yeah.
Yeah, boy. Bro, you put some money in here. How much money you gonna stack in here, bro?
I have much this motherfucking over here.
Come on, bro. Come on, bro.
Yeah, man. I just want to show y'all, bro, refrigerator on Make Moves
Monday, baby.
Hold up.
Put around there to keep it closed.
Huh?
Ace Hardware Lowe's got you.
So
Supply.
the joint won't stay closed.
Nah, this is my daddy refrigerator.
Oh,
Rest in
okay.
peace to my daddy, Dallas Cowboy fan. One love, Bobby love.
So it's a dead refrigerator.
Yes, sir.
So that's why it won't stay closed.
Nah, I want to stay close because you want to come out that box down in the ground, man. I love you, Pop. You coming home one day.
Alright, close the refrigerator, bro. Hey, yo. Y'all get in the comments, yo. Y'all get in the comments, man. And tell me y'all think about bro refrigerator, bro. Y'all see he got the Cowboys on his refrigerator. Y'all see. Y'all tell y'all think about bro refrigerator.
I'm a diehard Cowboy. We ain't doing shit, but I love y'all boys for life. You heard?
No, yo, this is dad refrigerator. Her dad, he got this for her dad, bro.
Come here, I'm gonna show you. No, come
Yeah, he got it for her dad, bro.
Check out Emmett Smith, right? Emmett Smith with a wall.
Y'all get in the comments.
Man, tell me what y'all think about bro refrigerator, man. He coming along, he trying to clean it out, bro. He still got some more cleaning to do.
Yeah, there.
Yeah, they getting busy though. Getting busy. He got to put his little.
And put that
He got
shit.
Put his little joint so he could close the refrigerator. He got to put that up there so he can close.
Yeah, but he come along, bro. But he come along, but yeah, we'll get back. Yo, bet.